So this is the completed conversion of a 1948 Rover 75 dashboard clock. As you can see, it's identical to externally as to when it was received. Touched up the hands a little tiny bit, but not much. I'll open it up. So it's a twist on the case here, which is something the customer can do when he needs to change the battery all the time, which takes off the front glass and inner bezel. And there's the clock, so I can just pop out. Sponge in the back is just to keep it secure. And there's the movement. So the original dial, original hands. We've 3D printed a spacer ring here, 2 of those, which we've sandwiched the dial in between. And there's the quartz movement. So if the customer needs to change the battery, all he has to do is unscrew the glass and the bezel, take this out, change the battery, and then put it back in the same way. That's it. If you've got anything similar, an old vintage dashboard clock that you want converting to quartz, but to keep the originality and authenticity, then please get in touch. clockupcycled.co.uk. Thank you.